Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use oil of oregano. This powerful essential oil requires careful handling. Always dilute it before use, whether you plan to take it internally or apply it topically. For internal consumption, mix 1 to 3 drops with a carrier oil like olive oil, or simply add it to a glass of water. When applying to skin, blend a few drops with a larger amount of carrier oil. When taking oil of oregano internally, dilution is key. A common method is to mix 1 to 3 drops with a teaspoon of a food-grade carrier oil, such as olive oil, and then swallow it. Alternatively, you can add the diluted oil to a glass of water or juice. For those who find the taste too strong, enteric-coated capsules containing oil of oregano are a convenient option. For topical application, always dilute oil of oregano significantly with a carrier oil. Good choices include jojoba, almond, or coconut oil. Mix a few drops of oregano oil with at least 1 teaspoon of carrier oil before applying it to the skin. Remember to perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure you do not have any adverse reactions. Before incorporating oil of oregano into your routine, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Never apply undiluted oil directly to your skin or mucous membranes, as it can cause irritation. Additionally, pregnant or nursing individuals should avoid using oil of oregano due to potential risks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.